Okay, so once you have your software installed, we're going to go ahead and open up a new sketch. And when you get the new sketch, this is what it looks like. All we see here is the void setup and the void loop, and there's nothing in there. But before we start coding, we want to get the Arduino plugged in. So we're going to go ahead and take our cable now. We're going to plug our USB in, as you can see here. And then we're going to plug it into our USB port of our computer. And you can see that it's going to start to blink on. We have the green light right here for on. This lets us know that it's on. And we got the L LED blinking, most likely just because of the code I was running previously. So what we want to do is make sure that we have communication. Mine's communicating, but here's what you do in this communication panel. The first thing that you want to have happen is you want to go up to Tools. And you're going to go to Port, and you're going to make sure that it's plugged in. And if you're not sure what port, if you have a computer that has lots of different ports, what you can do is just simply unplug, and you'll see the port actually disappear. So if I go back here to the port, I can see that it's missing. So that lets me know which port I need to be selected on. So if I go ahead and plug this back in, and I go up to Tools and go to Port, there it is. This is the one that I want to be connected to. Once I do that, I want to go and I want to pick the board that I'm using, which is the Arduino Uno. Okay, and now we're going to be in good shape here. So now what I want to do is just to see if this is working, I'm going to go to Sketch. And we're not going to worry about how to code yet, but we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Examples, and we're just going to go right up here to Basics, and we're going to choose Blink. All right, and then Blink pulls up right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to check to verify. It's going to let us know down here that the code is good because it's just the basic one that comes with it. And we're going to upload, and you're actually going to see the lights go on the Arduino here. You can see, you'll watch the TX RX flash. There it is. Okay, now it's done uploading, as we can see here. And now we can see the light blinking. What this code reads, we'll talk about this here, is it's going to turn the LED light on for 1 second and then turn it off. And it's just happening in a loop. So you can see here, on, off, on, off. So now that we got it, we know we have communication from our Arduino to the Arduino IDE interface. Let's go ahead and start to program, and more importantly, understand how we actually start to communicate in the language of Arduino.